Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make this rice salad for summer. This is actually summer recipes, so the ingredients are going to be at description as well. I'm going to be using cooked rice, bell pepper mixture, corn, tuna, peas, mixture of olive, salt, and cucumber. There is cucumber in the bottle. So like I said, check the description. So this is my bowl. Cooked your rice, like add the cooked rice in a bowl, in a large bowl, depends on the quantity you're making. So now I'm going to add the freshly chopped or diced bell pepper. You can use green bell pepper, any bell pepper of your choice. Okay, one thing I love about this recipe is you can use any vegetable of your choice. So I'm adding corn into this now. So the cucumber, all the ingredients are going in, and I'm not going to be cooking them at all. Okay, so here is black and green olive, cooked peas. The peas was boiled with a little bit of salt. So finally I'm going to be adding the tuna. You can get any type of tuna of your choice. Okay, so just go ahead and break the tuna. Okay, then after adding the tuna, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. So after this salt, all you need to do is mix everything up with a spoon. Just go ahead and mix them and make sure that everything is well combined. This is a very simple recipe, and it's a recipe that you can put in together if you are living in a very hot place, and you can prep it and put in the fridge. Maybe if you are going to seaside the next day, it can last up to 3-4 days in the fridge and it's still fresh, and the taste is so amazing. So like this one lasted 3 days in my fridge and it was still very fresh and amazing. I love this recipe because it's very easy to put together, and it's very fast and it tastes amazing. You don't have to cook everything. All you need to cook is your rice and your peas. That is what you need to cook, and you can add more vegetables inside this. Like you can add any vegetable of your choice. You can add carrots as well, potatoes, depends on what you want. So give this recipe a try. Come back and thank me later. It's a common recipe here in Italy during summer. So thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Okay, God bless you. Bye.